Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Professionally, here I will introduce myself. My name is Sumadi Utami from the Environmental Health Undergrad Study Program, Semester 2. Thank you for the time and opportunity that has been given to me to present the work of my creative ideas, script, and title. Improving the young generation facing strategy development in creating digital-based Indonesia education inclusion in the COVID-19 match with the SDGs concept. The first, background. The quality of education is important content in every country in the world, including Indonesia. The United Nations has created a program called the Sustainable Development Goals, but the education procession is currently being hit by an emergency because of the emergency of an issue that has hit the whole world, namely the COVID-19 pandemic. This phenomenon attacks all exciting aspects such as health, education, social, culture, and food security. With the breadth of digital technology today in the Industrial Revolution 4.0, it has an impact on human life throughout the world. In the Industrial Revolution 4.0, all progress are carried out in an automatic system in all activity process, where the development of internet technology is growing, not only collection people all over the world, but also becoming a basis for online trade and transformation process. Next, the problem. What is the strategy that will be carried out in terms of solving problems of social development and economic development, as well as education affected by the COVID-19 pandemic in Indonesia with the SDGs program related to the Industrial Revolution 4.0. C. Destination. Knowing stability is paying down to end poverty, reduce inequality, and protect the environment, and can connect people around the world within the Industrial Revolution 4.0. Chapter 2. Literature review. Of course, adjustments are needed in implementing the Revolution 4.0 era education. However, it is undeniable that the COVID-19 outbreak was one of the drivers of implementing the system. On the other hand, basic being required to understand technology and information and how to implement it. Of course, there are problems that are namely related to adequate infrastructure. For example, students from underprivileged families do not have laptops or smartphone, so the public should pay attention to this. The school has ordered or asked for underprivileged students and provide learning assistance for those who have been recorded by obtaining course subsidies or other problem solving. In addition, the government must ensure that at least the internet is available in educational areas so as to afford ration to lecture to their respect hometowns due to avoiding the spread of COVID-19. Countries around the world compete on how much they can progress this trend, in especially to in developing countries, with the hope of improving people welfare. Various developments are carried out which are intended to meet human needs on a large scale. On the on the one hand, this situation is very successful in stressing economic growth. On the other hand, attention to social and environmental pillars has been inadequate. Large-scale social inequality and significant damage to nature have resulted in a lack of attention to ecological conservation and sustainability in the development progress. This concern has led to the forming of the ideas of sustainable development goals. Chapter 3. COVID-19 can also cause the number of internet users in Indonesia to increase drastically due to change from direct to virtual activities through video conferencing. In the era of the Industrial Revolution 4.0 with FUSA, volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity, condition, it encourages and requires digital transformation. With COVID-19, we have to change the way we work from what we should meet in person to work from home. By utilizing IT, BPK successfully carried out digital transformation during the pandemic, as evidenced by audit response that were complete on time. The success can be achieved with the help of IT, namely by utilizing video conferencing, conducting online audit review, checking evidence online, and much more. That's all, and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.